Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. A lot of people asked me about a problem that when they start recording, it starts from end of the karaoke track. It's made a problem for the beginners. Actually, this problem happened for an update version of Audacity, and today I'm gonna clear all confusion as well as possible. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter, and today you're gonna know an update of Audacity. So let's begin. As you can see, when I try to record something, it started from end of the section. Okay, just skip it. If you want to fix it, take a new track before recording. So go to tracks, add new, select mono or stereo as you want. If you select mono, it will be a single track, and if you select stereo, it will be a double track. So I always prefer to use stereo track because of better sound quality. Now just select the second track and start recording. In this way, you can record your vocal in another track, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to get more this type of videos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.